Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Escapists 2. First, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the game's core objective, escaping prison. Each prison presents unique challenges and opportunities. Master the basic controls for movement, interacting with objects, and managing your inventory. Pay attention to your character's 3 key stats, intellect, strength, and fitness, as these are crucial for crafting, combat, and digging. Building these up early will significantly aid your escape plans. Navigating the daily prison routine is essential for a successful escape. You must attend roll calls, eat meals, and participate in work periods to avoid raising suspicion from guards. Missing these can lead to lockdowns or solitary confinement. Completing favors for fellow inmates is a great way to earn a few coins and improve your reputation, which can unlock new items or services. Maintaining a good reputation can also make inmates less likely to report your suspicious activities. Crafting is a cornerstone of escaping. You'll combine various items found around the prison to create essential tools, weapons, and even disguises. Increasing your intellect stat is vital, as it unlocks more advanced crafting recipes, allowing you to make more effective escape items. Remember to hide any contraband you acquire or craft in your desk or a secret stash. Guards conduct random cell searches, and getting caught with illegal items will result in confiscation and punishment. There are numerous ways to escape, from digging tunnels beneath walls to cutting through fences or vents. Each prison offers unique challenges and opportunities for escape. Carefully plan your route and gather all the necessary tools, like a sturdy pickaxe for digging or wire cutters for fences. Creating diversions, such as starting a riot or cutting power, can draw guards away from your escape path, giving you a crucial window of opportunity to make your break for freedom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.